Yeah, right now we don't know if it's gonna rip up, right? Or rip down. So I rather want to see. I don't want to be in the middle of grabbing liquidity, right? Because price could still grab liquidity up here, right? Close above like that, and then maybe even further up here, right? And then the actual directional move for the whole day could be this. And then we'll take that rebreak of the low. Then that's what I'll be looking for. Yeah, that's for buying us sells analysis. And then the other could be re-breaking the lows, and we can catch it from here to here, hopefully, or catch whatever the range is between this. Um, and then let's see. Yeah, so it can be that. It can even be a downside liquidity where it grabs orders down here, then we can hold support around there, and then that's a directional move, right? And that could be the directional move for the whole entire week. We can, but yeah, honestly, no trade in this zone. Um, mm, okay. Give me 1 second, guys. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, guys. Um, uh, okay. Is Question is where is okay, safe buys would be 63, 50, 63. But there is also a possibility of this level as well. So I think I'm gonna go based off this lower level, and then we'll just aim for the next resistance, which is the minor resistance of like that 60 level. Um, 63. Yeah. Six. Okay. Yeah. See if we can get possible buys above 48, 44, around that level. Um, but yeah, we are pushing up here, which is good. Finally, we're getting some volume. It's good, E, man.
Good morning.
Good morning, bro. Good morning, Anton. Good morning. Oh, I haven't forgot about it. Oh yeah. Yeah. I got adjacent to thing. I'm gonna get the Cuban first though. And then I'm gonna work on the pendant. The CPNF one? The one you unsent? On the Instagram? I deleted that one so quick. Don't even speak about it, man. Oh my gosh. I honestly thought it was only Jason's Instagram. I never knew a bunch of you guys had access to the Instagram. Holy. I'm dying. So the last 4 hour, right, guys? This last 4 hour we closed below. So there is a possibility, like I said, I was drawing that out where we push up and then we kind of reflip back down. But that doesn't mean that we can't take any buys in this range and catch a few pips in that and there. So Oh. I'm just gonna put it down. Zero trades. Yeah, I was just saying this earlier. This week is very volatile, so I do suggest lowering lot sizes. Um, Unless you want to be risky and up it more, it's up to you guys. But we do have FOMC this Wednesday. What else do we
We
have?
got way too much stuff this week.
Yeah, we have a lot of stuff this week, so just be very, very careful.
Oh, fuck ton of red folders. Like
Yeah,
that. I haven't seen this in ages. This many in this fucking like Wednesday. Like I haven't seen that in a very long time.
yeah. So just be careful of fake outs for this week as well. So especially when news pushes a certain direction, there's always going to be a correction. So, um, yeah. So 5 minute just closed lake handle. Uh, we're still pushing up on the 15, 30 still pushing up, 1 hour still pushing up, 4 hours still pushing up, daily still pushing up.
Not, not only do we have the FOMC stuff, um, and the PPI, the core PPI, but we also have like unemployment changes for the Australian dollar and the Japanese dollar.
Yeah,
like more concerning with the Japanese because they handle all the majority of the debt for the United States. If they raise their interest rates, then that's going to be.
When is JPY's
It doesn't say.
I
It's
seen
tentative.
it. Oh, really?
Yeah. So like, if there's no time for that
Oh yeah,
release,
the
I'm just gonna sit on my
BOJ.
hands, bro.
Yeah. That is on Wednesday as well.
Mm-hmm.
That's gonna be crazy. A lot of news on one day.
Mm-hmm.
Um, yeah, Wednesday is the double session. So we'll be trading in the morning. We'll trade at like we'll do like the 9 o'clock to like 10:30 gap window for like an hour and a half. And then we're gonna be coming back on at 1:50 p.m. for the news. So that's gonna be interesting.
Would you consider going like trading the entirety of like that time into Asian as well?
Into Asian?
Yeah, because
Like the end of New York?
no, like we do the news, right?
Yeah.
Which that's gonna happen around 2:30, and then we
Yeah,
get
it's like
back.
two. It's just
Yeah,
like yeah, two to like normally with that, like I finish the session around like 3:30, 3:45.
then what about Asian? You do
Asian.
anything for that?
Uh we might trade Asian. You guys want to trade Asian? You want to trade Asian? I mean, I don't really Wednesday. Yeah, I might trade Asian because I might be going somewhere in the evening. So we'll see.
Cool, cool.
Unless you want to lead the class, you can do it.
Yeah,
Yeah?
sure,
You want to do that, you man?
sure.
Okay, perfect.
If I'm not like stupidly exhausted or dizzy, sure.
Yeah, okay. Okay. So Asian's up to you if you want to host it.
Yeah, I'll
Uh
ask everybody when like before we get off, like after the news. Be like, hey, nobody wants to trade Asian. Let me know.
yeah, yeah. You guys
Who
can
I
do it
thought
in
you're.
Discord.
Yeah, Discord. Yeah.
Yeah. Um, I was up literally last night, 320 pips. Damn. I should have just closed out at 300 pips. I secured 150, 100 pips though. Like it
Nice.
tapped me out. But fuck, man. Especially trying to grow a small account, I shouldn't be doing that. Should just be taking profits when I see numbers like
Yeah.
that. I think that's my issue. That is my issue. That's what I realized this year. This year, my issue is not closing out and wanting more. So that's the greed, right?
Yeah.
Like I have 9 years experience, and I always tell you guys don't be greedy, and I'm still doing it. So
I think the only issue when it comes to greed is changing your lot size drastically in terms of wanting more out of your positions.
yeah,
Like, because like if you get past just like wanting to hold it,
yeah,
it could just turn into something entirely different.
exactly.
Which I'm always satisfied in holding my positions based
But
on the what if, but at the same time
yeah,
too, I'm always leaving myself, like I'm putting stuff in profit once I see the move clearly happen.
yeah,
Like it rips down and then I put stuff into like in a bit into profit, and if it goes to it, okay, whatever.
yeah,
Might get a different direction.
yeah. But with you, bro, I realized like, yo, when you get into that position, it's like you're good. Like
Yep.
it drives. Like with me, I most likely get tapped out.
Yeah.
Like in the same day. You won't get tapped out till like 2, 3 days
So
later. Like I get tapped
yeah.
out the same hour.
Yep. Because you were catching the bottom of it.
Yeah, yeah,
I realized the trade that you and I took. what was Friday? Same exact
Uh,
move. It's just I
yeah,
caught the top of it, you caught the bottom.
the bottom of it. Yeah, because
Yeah.
that gives me the sense of direction. So
Yeah. I feel like we're like yin and yang, but like we complement each other so well in just trading
yeah,
styles.
no, for real, we do,
Yeah.
we do. Uh, Man, it's 9:49 and fucking this is not
Zip.
breaking. It's not breaking out. Why is it not breaking out?
I'm surprised about this considering how the dollar's starting to drop.
The dollar dropping? It's like USD
Yeah,
CAD.
it went
Oh
back
wow.
into it hasn't broken out yet. Like, okay, well maybe actually hold on, let me back up here. Let me maybe double check that.
Well, U
No, hasn't fully broken out yet, really.
UCAD is not dropping, so DXY. Let's check DXY. Yeah, we came right back into the range for
Mm-hmm.
dollar index.
Mm-hmm.
Um,
This huge ass fucking range.
I'm sure we'll get something though. I'm sure
And
we'll get something.
that was directly, I know, mark that. Price literally tapped a wick at 44,960. Like almost fully just like covered the whole fucking wick. I've been noticing more recently like price tends to fill in half of like a candle or like half a wick and just like continue,
Reverse
yeah, continue in the
or
opposite direction.
yeah.
Which I don't mind that. Like I I can get behind that. Because if it keeps on going, then it's just gonna keep on going, I guess.
Yeah. Um, yeah, like I was just mentioning cells. So the way that the chart is looking right now, right, guys?
I
So I'm
was
just gonna
thinking
draw it
cells
like
too.
this. Um, so let's just pretend like price is like coming down, right? Right? And then it's back into this range. So this is the range right here. Uh, we have, let's just say this is the range, and then right here. Um, and then we just start continuing back up, right? Continuing back up, and then we just start heading back into the range here. Once, right? This is something where I would look at, right? This is where I'd look for possible entries to come all the way down, right? And then let's just say if it does come down, right? Right, whatever. My stops would be somewhere around like here, right? So I look at a position like this, and then I'll just target like that, right? Because that's basically a fake out breaking back into the range, right? Because this is the range right here. So that this is what I call like a liquidity move where it grabs liquidity from the top and then we come right back into the range, right? Um, that's exactly why, like, even if we had a position, let's just say like we had a position down here, right? My stops would be high, right? And then we start breaking back into the range. I'll have either a pineapple up here, right? Or a pineapple when it re-breaks back into the range, right? Does that make sense? right? And vice versa too with like the other if it's for buys, right? If we're just breaking below, right? And then we come fake back up into the range, then I'm grabbing more positions. So um like what I just drew out, there could be a slight possibility that it's gonna happen here, right? We might break above and then fake back up, fake back into the range, which is this is the range. And then that's where I look for sells, right? Either sells here or sells below here. This ain't doing shit right now, man.
Yeah, I'm surprised here. I was thinking we would get more volume here based on the dollar
Yeah.
dropping. But this could just be a pullback into continuation further lower.
Yeah, the dollar keeps dropping. That means gold should just be going up. And then maybe the liquidity would be up here. Liquidity could be
Mm-hmm.
probably up here
Maybe.
for a triple top.
Actually, yeah, that could actually probably work. Yeah, triple top. Hmm. Let me see here. Have we made any recent? Okay, so we did a lower low, lower high, then we did a higher low, and I'm going to find out the direction here. We're still in a huge ass area of sell side liquidity, though. Could be also people are just waiting for the news for Wednesday. That could be it.
For Wednesday, yeah,
Mm-hmm.
that could be it.
We've seen it happen before.
Yeah, I just moved so slow for
Yep.
news. Yeah.
It wasn't the first time we've had it.
That's like normally with NFP as well. It'd be like
Mm-hmm.
Wednesday, Thursday, so damn slow, and then Friday.
Yep.
Party.
Rising energy prices have fueled inflationary pressures and lowered the probability of an interest rate cut by the Fed. Hmm. Gold and interest rates typically move in opposite directions. Hmm. That does make sense. Because if they cut the rates, then assets rise. Yeah.
Hmm.
Looking ahead, the market's pricing in roughly 80% chance of less than two rate cuts between now and the first Federal Open FOMC of 2027. What? So the market is pricing in a roughly 80% chance of less than two rate cuts between now and the first meeting of FOMC in 2027 in January.
Were you seeing this?
On TradingView, it's in the XAUSD news. If that's the case, then
Gold falls again. Why investors are turning to other Iran war havens. Comics gold delivery intentions breakdown.
previously February 22nd, market was pricing in more than 80% probably at least two cuts. Mm-mm. We've
Hmm.
seen U.S. yields curve steepen, which that's a yield curve, so that would be in relation to bonds, which is taking the wind out of gold investors' sails. While the prospect of higher for longer interest rates has dissuaded investors from backing gold, has provided a tailwind for the U.S. dollar. Dollar index, which tracks the value of the currency against a basket of its peers, gained 2.3 compared to early trading Monday. Elsewhere, Bitcoin has rallied 10% during the same period, emerging as an unlikely hedge against economic global uncertainty. What the fuck has happened with Bitcoin? We're back at 74K? Damn. Okay.
Are we actually?
We're back at 74K. Shit. And we've actually broken out of the area. Shit.
Yeah,
And
66 zone was a very strong support level. 66,000. Yeah. Uh,
66. Yeah. I see that.
I was looking at like 50, 54, but
Oh,
hmm.
where? Whatever.
What, did you catch any trades? Got some sells earlier. Yeah. 30 to 29. 10 pips. Hey, that's all you need. 10,
Mm-hmm.
20 pips.
Mm-hmm.
My bad, 20. I took an L yesterday. I was trying to buy at the bottom, just broke even for the day. Yeah. It was crazy though. I was in that trade before it ripped down. I seen it rip down. Like I seen this whole move rip down right here. I'm like, holy. I got in like a 5,003. I think it was, where was it?
5,003. Damn,
Yeah,
bro.
5,003. And wait, where is it? Did we not rip? Wait, let me double check. It was 5,003 or not. Um, 5,005 down to 4,000. I saw it down to like right here, like 60, 69,
Mm-hmm.
49, 69. Didn't
Mm-hmm.
close out.
Damn.
But the thing is, I wasn't on my computer. I was literally in my bed, laying down. And
Uh,
if I
damn.
saw that there was a support here, then I would have been like, okay, I'm gonna close. But I was hoping for it to rip right through there.
Yeah. Yeah. I started to just not bother trading on my phone and just like go online like
Yeah.
trading view and that's it.
Honestly, that's the best. When you're trading on
Mm-hmm.
your computer, you see everything.
Mm-hmm. Or maybe just fucking buy an iPad or some shit and like a tablet and just be like, screw it. Look at my bring
Yeah.
that shit with me everywhere.
Not even lie. I had my laptop right beside me too. I was watching my show. I didn't even open it up. I just was like, you know what? Fuck it. I'm in it.
Damn.
Oh, it's like we're pushing up very, very slowly. But fuck, man, give us something. Give us clear direction. But let's see. We're like 150 pips away from possible entries. So
Mm.
oh wow, almost the same ranges.
Meta is planning to lay off 20% of its workforce.
Oh fuck.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Bloomberg just talked about it.
Uh, Canada's unemployment is like 7 point something percent. That's so fucked.
That ain't the true unemployment, my guy.
Oh
It's
yeah, I
worse.
know,
It's
I know.
probably way worse than that.
It's
It's just
probably
delayed.
yeah, yeah. I was about to
Probably
say.
like 10, like 11, 10, somewhere in that area, probably.
Yeah. This funny thing over the weekend, I think it was Friday, I went to go get a vape. I seen someone talk about unemployment and how Canada is so bad, and then people are like
We lost
struggling to
80K
find a job.
jobs in the last like we lost like 80K jobs apparently last month. They were all
That's
from the
crazy.
private sector.
That's crazy.
Yeah,
80K.
yeah. My aunt got laid off last month too, and she's been with the company for 10 years.
That's just insane.
Yeah, it's disgusting.
Yep. That's why everyone stick to trading. I swear to God, stick to trading. No one can fire you.
Honestly, yeah. I'll fucking work at McDonald's or some shit, Tim Hortons or some shit,
Yeah,
do some
like just
mundane, easy
part-time.
bull crap part
Yeah,
time, 1 or 2 days in a week, and then fucking just trade.
yeah. Not gonna lie, like I want to find a fucking like a job for fun. I don't know
Yeah.
what, but just do it for like a couple weeks or a month, just for the fuck of it.
Just for the shits and giggles.
Yeah, and then quit after. Like
Yeah.
fuck, I forgot how much I hated working.
Yeah. For me, it's kind of just been like, I want to maybe go back into culinary, but on my own terms.
Yeah,
I don't know how that's going to look like.
no rush. But
Yeah.
how long? Like you haven't done it for how long? Like a year? Less? 6 months?
Been 2.5 years.
2.5 years. Okay.
Yeah. My last culinary job was like 2.5 years ago.
Man,
Start pushing up here on gold if the dollar's continuing to do
yeah,
so.
we are literally
The dollar's ripping down right now.
170 pips away from possible entries. So let's see. It's been stuck.
You got your stuff at 4.6. I know you got yours
Yeah,
at 4.7, 4. Yeah, yeah.
around there, like 40, like around this level right here.
Yeah, I had mine marked down like that as well.
I have a level here and then a possible level here. Yeah, hang on tight, guys. We hopefully will get a position soon. Um,
And some volume here soon. Okay, where did that? Where did that hit?
You're pushing down here.
Dollar finally found support.
We didn't even do nothing during London as well.
Really?
Yeah, nothing during London. This was literally the whole move of London.
Holy shit.
I mean, hey, I guess you could just trade support and resistance off this. This was still London was like that right here. London started over here.
Hmm.
Yeah, we'll be forcing a trade today for sure. Don't want to start a Monday off an L. Uh, okay. We just tapped 22, 21. We haven't seen that level in a while. Okay. Keep breaking the lows or some do something. Okay, breaking this low. Du- 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 du. We're moving now, guys. We're moving. Uh, okay. There is another range. Um, okay, there is a level here. Let's see if it fills this wick, and then let's see what happens. Um, okay, so if we could tap this, it's creating a higher low, and then if we rip back up, higher high. So Hmm. There's no ways you cut themselves on that move down. I know you did. I know you got sell somewhere around here. 27, 26, around there, 25 maybe. Cap 16, pulled right back up. Okay. My girl's tripping. And what can you say in a job interview that you can stay in bed? You can say in a job interview that you can stay in bed. What can you say in a job interview that you can stay in bed? This is being recorded for training purposes. And what can you say in a job interview that you can stay in bed?
10 years of experience in this position.
And what's something you can say in a job interview that you can stay in bed?
I was so nervous and I came early. Any other openings I can look?
What can you say in a job interview that you can stay in bed?
Sorry, what's your name again?
And what can you say in a job interview that you can stay in bed?
I learned about this position online.
Oh fuck. What's something that you can say in trading that you can say in bed? Yo. Okay. Holy fuck. Hmm. Okay, we tapped 12. We tapped this level that I was looking at. We're melting down. This is giving us more information, which is good, right? The thing is, look at the 30-minute, right? No bottom wick here. There is a possible where daily count. This is giving us more information. It's good. I was based off the 15 and 30, there's no bottom wick. I'm thinking about taking a buy stop above here, but I don't know if I'm gonna do that. Oh,
What? What?
Gotta look at the 1 minute now. Hold on. I gotta see. Okay, so this is the first pullback that we got ever since this moved down. Um, this could pull back here, here, or here. Um, okay, we're getting structure. It's just let's see. I want to take wick entry sells, but it's just not guaranteed for that directional. Okay, okay, it's perfect. Push, man, push. Do something. Give us volume. Remember I was talking about though, like, right? This is what it did. Basically came, hold on. Came down, boom, 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 right? Grab liquidity, and then comes back into this range. And then once we start getting orders like that, structure like that, then we could possibly look for sells. I wouldn't want to take a sell below here, somewhere around these ranges, but we'll see. So I don't know if this is going to be the actual direction for the day. Oh.
I really should have taken that sill that I was thinking of. Shit. I was thinking of getting a double tap sell here. I didn't pull the trigger. I was reluctant on it. By the time I noticed, it was too late. We've already started going down.
Um, could have that wick buy stop been good? You start pulling back here because the 30 minute has no bottom wick. There's a 1 hour. 1 hour still continuing, so we don't know because this could just pull back and rip right back down. So yeah, not gonna do that. Um, but yeah, you guys see that, right? How I did that? Basically understanding 30 minute, last 30 minute doesn't have a bottom wick, but knowing the 1 hour, this could pull back up and then rip right back down, right? So always look throughout your time frame. Key. Um, so we might have just gone that pullback of 12 or 13, rip down. Let's see.
I will be right back.
Okay. Okay, we just tapped 06. No bottom wicks here. This is just gonna gradually just go down. Just with no volume. That's what it looks like. Oh, 05 here. Let's see. I would take sells right now. Let's see. Where are the stops? Those are huge. What the fuck? I was even thinking of here, but yeah, no, I'm gonna wait for a pullback here. Wait for how this closes. Um, I don't have FOMO with this, guys, right? The way that's pushing down here is not actually creating a clear direction. Um, we do need to. You guys see how this is printed? I'm mirroring everything to the left. So let's just say you see how this thing came down. Then hold on. We came down here, pulled back up, but then we started creating lower highs up here. And then that's the move down. So I would want a lower high. So I would want something like this. And then that's the rebreak of the low. Maybe we might get ideas below 96, 95, around here, below there. But did anyone catch this move? Catch any sells? Already closed for me. Good job, boys. Um, let's see.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, Sammy.
Good. Sorry, I sell in 28.
You took a sell?
Yeah, I sell until 28. 28, but
Good job.
28 to let me see, 13.
Wow, good job. Good job.
Yeah. So I knew it is going more down, but it's okay. I got profit.
Yeah. Uh, okay. Yeah, see, like you see how we're coming down here with no like bottom wicks? How much does it drop right now? 290 pips. Yeah. So the way it's coming down here, you guys how you see how slow it's coming down? So there is a possible chance that the pop back up will be way faster, and that could be the directional move. But the I want to see if we just start kind of like breaking the low here, and then kind of having a lower high, and then just ripping right through. Okay, there you go. It's glitching through, popping right through. Lovely. Okay. This is the start of the idea. So I love this. This is looking good. Now, let's see if we can close below, right? Yeah. One gold outplays your 9 to 5. Are you still in that cell from one was
You
it
know it.
5-1 whatever? Yeah.
Know it, brother.
Once okay.
Hmm.
Uh
All about and the dollar's bounced off of some sort of area
see
here.
what the dollar did. Oh wow.
99.80. Right on the money. But is that gonna hold? No idea.
Yeah. Yeah, at any given point, this could actually flip, man. This could flip. Let's see. I don't know if that last 4 hours is a late candle or not. Um, see what happens here? So, oh wow, we're pulling up here. Let's see if this is just. So read. Let me see. 86. What is that on the 4 hour? So this is support, guys. It tapped support. Didn't break right through. Um, like today's price action was clean. It's just lack of volume. That's what it was today. Like we could have definitely gotten the trade if we got faster volume to come in. We would have definitely had a trade. Because this structure right here, since that, like I said, that last 30 didn't have a bottom wick, right? Even off the 15 here, the way that this candle could have looked like is this. And that's the support there that's being grabbed, right? And if this does do that, then we can get possible more buys up. You guys see that, right? Basically, that wick right here. It is a late session today. I don't know. Now I'm debating, should we just start a late session tomorrow or should we just start a normal time? Because even last week too, right? We were getting volume super late. We weren't even getting it during our session. But oh wait, let me see something. Um, wow, I didn't see that. Guys, look, 11:30. Trump speaks. That's fucking why this market's fucking
Bruh.
moving so slow.
Bruh.
That's fucking wow.
What?
Oh my God.
They just added that in.
They had to, yeah.
They literally just added that in. Because I do not
I
have it on my
didn't see
screen.
it. I didn't see it earlier, and I'm like, wait. I refreshed it, and I'm like, wait.
Mm-hmm.
That's why.
Mm-hmm. Lovely.
I'm gonna stay here for a couple more minutes, and then let's see. Actually, no. Wait, let's see. I'll probably give it to 11:30. It's another half an hour, and if I see something, I might put it in the Discord. I'm gonna put it in the Discord. So keep an eye around like 1 o'clock. See, the last hour we closed below that last here, so this could be a top wick here. Create a higher top wick, and let's see what the top wick levels are. There's top wick levels here. Here. Yeah, let's just see where it rejects off of. And let's see if that's the actual play or not. And we can't go based off the 4 hour because we have about 2 hours left on the 4 hour, where based off the 4 hour, we would need a steeper top wick and then flip down. And that's gonna be the sells. Aim for that. Maybe that top anticipating that this candle's gonna create a top wick for the buy stop would have been nice. This would have gave us 40 pips. Was that the top wick there? Wait, wow, that was a top wick. But five doesn't have his top wick here. It's gonna be tough unless we just go for it.
There, well, on mine there is a top wick.
Yeah, there is, right? Yeah, I know.
Yeah,
I was just looking at my broker. Wait, there's like a very mini one, so I wouldn't consider that as a top wick.
on the 5, yeah.
On the five, yeah, I wouldn't consider that as a top wick.
Okay.
But the 15 and everything else does.
Yeah. We also did flip too.
Yeah, we did. Is this 50? I don't know. Do you guys want to take this? 50 pips to fill that range, 60 pips to fill that range. But the thing is,
I would
it
say
created
hold
that
off.
top wick and it flipped, but it should have just pushed with volume. But
I would say hold off.
yeah, yeah.
This one's doing right now. I'm not gonna bother with that. This could just be the bottom of the of like what's it called?
That support
This
right there
could just
holding
be
that.
the maybe the higher low,
Yeah, exactly.
higher whatever it's called. Yeah, higher low, and
Yeah,
then go for the rep.
exactly. I think I'm gonna take sells below 87, below this range. This one I'm looking for. But also too, like I don't know. We're not gonna get the whole
Yeah.
range though. I know that. That's for sure. If it does start breaking below this, we're not gonna get the whole range down. Another patient day.
Indeed. Indeed.
And what do you guys give today's price action? The fuck? Guys, there's an XAU coffee shop in Thailand.
What?
Yeah,
All
a
right, bet I'm
zero.
going to Thailand for a vacation.
Yeah, I'd give this like a
Soon as I make a fuck ton of money right here this year, just vacation Thailand.
Highland Cafe. Look at this.
Damn.
This is nice.
Rich Traders Cafe. Nice.
And look at the logo. It has the charts. That's sick.
Ooh.
Traders Cafe and Bistro. Wow.
Okay, okay.
A zero. Mm, I'll give it like a. I'll give this like a three. It was just clear. It was clear price action, but the thing was, like the volume was lacking. I'll give it a three. Yeah. Oh, that's sick though. Yeah, this is sick for content though. I take bear pictures here. I had nice sells marked up at 50-30, but I was afraid it might find support, so I closed early. Yeah. Honestly, if you had volume, it would have been a lot better. Like I know you would have held through. Okay, it's glitching here now, guys. 11-11. This would be so sick for networking, though. Let's see. The fuck?
Well, that's not surprising at all. God damn. Mm.
So I saw something on Instagram where they say the month of March and June. That's why I was telling you guys, June was my worst month. Is usually like the slow and choppy month. Okay, so guys, the idea now, if we can actually push down, if we get something like this and then a pullback up, okay, well, yeah, if we can break this low, pull back up, I'm gonna start taking sells right here, and I'm gonna target this low. That's the idea now. Okay, guys? We can re-break this low, right? Re-break it, no, break it, and then pull back up. That's gonna be my idea for sells. It's gonna be like this, pull back up. That's gonna be like this, pull back up. Then that's just sell. Or there's two ways of doing this, guys. So it breaks. So what I just showed you guys, right? It could re-break that low, right? Pull back up. Then when it re-breaks that second low that it just made, then that's gonna be your sell. So you have two options of taking the sell, right? Preferably, I would go with the second option, but I want to get more pips from up here. Oh man, don't flip. We're so close for ideas.
This might have been engulfing candle bearish on the 30 here. Hopefully it closes.
Hmm.
Q.
That could have been that support there.
Wait. Oh wait, sorry. My correction. Engulfing bearish candle on the dollar.
Um, Yeah. So now the way that's flipping up, I'm getting ideas of price make coming up like this, and then this is for sell ideas, and then re-breaking right back down. So that's gonna be a lot. That's a lot of waiting here. That's literally 150 pips up, and then 250 pips right back down for ideas. Well, fuck you, gold.
Pretty huge range, I will say.
It is.
Sucks I didn't get the top of that. I just didn't fucking do it.
Yeah.
It
Well, I
would be
didn't
clear
know
as
if that
day
was
for me
gonna
to do
break.
it.
Yeah, that's something that you would take.
Yeah, double top, triple top, right off the 30 here.
And then I would take something off this low if it rebroke it, but
Mm-hmm. Okay. Oh, let's see here.
or we can get another idea of what entry sells. That's another the way that's pushing up here. You guys see how the move up is way faster now? You guys seeing this? So now that I was talking about this earlier about the way that was coming down was very slow, but the way up is coming up very fast. So
Yeah.
now this push up could be the directional buys up for the day. Who knows? But yeah, we just moved up like
That was fucking quick.
80 pips in like I don't know how fast, but it was
3 minutes?
yeah. Like even if you look at this, look at this. 5 minute, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Well, 40 minutes just to go down like that, right? This whole move, let's just say from here to here, that's 300 pips that moved down. I'm gonna hop off, bro. Just gonna wait for the news. Yeah. All right, was later, man. But yeah, this, right? And this moves up 149 pips pretty
Past
quick.
10 minutes.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, 10 minutes, exactly 10 minutes.
Is this lower high to go further down, though? Or is this gonna just drive up? What's the dollar doing? Da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da.
the way that we're holding the support here, we can close like this, right, with the top wick. I might look for possible buys, right? Get that bottom wick, then we flip up, flip up. That's what I look for. There's possible ideas for that. You guys watched the fight with Blueface and thing over the weekend? Blueface got crushed.
Don't know either of those two.
It was like on Aiden Ross's stream or something like that.
Uh,
No, they'd be cheating, I think. Yeah. Tough for the fame. But nah, that I seen clips of it and it was just damn, Blueface got rocked. The man fell out of the ring. Holy. I'm gonna give us 5 more minutes, guys. If we don't get nothing in 5 minutes, then I'm gonna call it.
are we doing
Um,
Asian tonight, brother? Or are we just from local?
Tonight, no Asian. Tonight's gonna be no Asian.
Okay.
Oh,
Alrighty. Well, I'm a
oh
dip.
wow. Wait, we might get a position here. Hold on. So we pushed up there, we broke the low. You know what, guys? I'm just gonna get into sells. I just got into sells here because basically we came up there, price wasn't pushing further up. We're flipping down here. So let's just see. I'm only gonna be looking for this quick fill here. 70 pips. So that's the idea. Sells. I'm gonna have a stop loss. Very tight. But yeah, let's see.
30 minutes about to close as well. So
Yeah.
we are also technically below 5,000 still. So
It's gonna be very tight.
where's your
All right.
stop loss?
My stops are gonna be above this high, 5,002.
Okay.
Or I might extend it up higher, but we'll see. Trump is speaking soon, so
Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm a dip. I'll catch you all
okay.
tomorrow. 9 a.m.
Tomorrow, let's see what time. Tomorrow, yeah, 9 a.m.
Beauty. See you then.
All right. See you, man. We are breaking the lows here. This is 10 pips, guys. We're in profit. 5 pips now. Hold on. Let's see. There you go, guys. That's 17 pips. 20 pips. Let's see if we just continue further down. Nope. Start breaking the lows. There you go, guys. Beautiful. There you go. 70 pips and TP smash. I'm out. That's 70 pips. Good job, guys. Wow. 70 pips. Just like that. Um, W. Update the record. That's gonna be 103 with total pip count. Let's see. 1054. We are up 1,126 pips. And look at that. Perfect exit, right? Perfect fucking exit. That's what I was looking at, right? So the trade was based off of literally, what was it? This candle, it was struggling. We pushed up, right? But it wasn't pushing up further. Then we kind of reflipped back down. So I'm like, okay, now this should be this move that we can look for to fill the wick here. Um, and then yeah, the trade was based off this break of the low down here. But yeah, it's that simple. That simple. 70 pips. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful. Um, yeah, now I could do whatever. And Trump is speaking now. But yeah, yeah, we're gonna wrap the session there. Um, yeah, tonight will be no Asian because I know the market's gonna be moving fucking hella slow. Especially when FOMC is on Wednesday. But we'll trade Asian tomorrow for sure, guys. Wednesday I might trade Asian, depending, but we have a double session on during Wednesday, so we'll see. And then Thursday we'll trade Asian as well. So this week is only gonna be Tuesday and Thursday. Wednesday the maybe. So yeah, guys. Um, did anybody catch the sell? Anyone else?
Yeah.
Yeah, you did. You did. Okay.
Alex, is this the bottom where we're at right now?
We it is based off the 4 hour.
Okay.
W Victoria W. Did you drop your three contract or one contract? No. Yeah. I do recommend just lowering it for this week. It's just it's very, very volatile, but it's okay. Once everything clears up, go back to your normal lot size. But yeah, it is the bottom of the range, right here. Let's see. The thing is with this 4 hour, let's see if we can hold this, right? If we hold it, we're gonna come back up. If it breaks right through, I say safe sells below. Look, yo, would be like right there with volume though, right? So yeah. If I see something, guys, around 1, 2, I'll let you guys know. I'll put it in the Discord, so keep an eye out for that. But yeah, I'm gonna wrap up the session there, guys. I will see everyone tomorrow.